Today, we're going to talk about something so common we probably don't think about it nearly enough. I'm talking about water. We're going to get into why it's so much more than just something to quench your thirst. It's literally the fuel that runs your entire body. So, let's dive in.
Okay, let me ask you something. Have you ever had one of those days where you just hit a wall? You know the feeling. You're sitting there, your brain feels kind of foggy, and you just cannot concentrate, no matter what you do. It's super common, right?
Well, what if the reason for that afternoon slump wasn't about needing more sleep or another cup of coffee? What if the culprit was something way, way simpler? Turns out, a lot of the time, that's exactly what it is. Dehydration. Your body is just running low on its most important resource. So let's meet the hero of our story, water. I mean, if water could talk, this is pretty much what it would say. Its whole job is just to keep you alive. It's this unsung hero working 24/7 behind the scenes in pretty much every process that keeps you going.
So, how does it actually do all that? Well, first up, let's think of water as your body's own personal delivery service. This is all about how it fuels your entire system from the inside out. Picture this. Your blood vessels are like these massive highways crisscrossing your body. Well, water is the main ingredient in your blood, which makes it the truck that carries everything your cells need to survive, like oxygen from your lungs and all the nutrients from the food you eat. And get this, when you're even a little bit dehydrated, your blood actually gets thicker. That makes your heart have to work way harder to pump it around, and the whole delivery system just slows right down. Now, where is this delivery service more important than anywhere else? Let's zoom in on the command center, your brain. You're about to see just how big a deal the cognitive benefits of H2O really are. Remember that brain fog we were talking about? Well, your brain is something like 75% water, so it feels the effects of dehydration almost immediately. It's wild, but studies show that being dehydrated by just 2%, which is not a lot, can mess with your attention and motor skills. So staying hydrated literally sharpens your focus, helps you remember things better, and seriously boosts your concentration. The takeaway here is simple. A hydrated brain is a high-performing brain. All right, so we've seen all the good stuff, but now let's flip the coin and look at the dehydration toll. What is actually going on inside your body when that internal water tank starts running on empty? This chart lays it all out, and the difference is pretty stark. On one side, when you're hydrated, everything is running smoothly. You've got clear thinking, nutrients are getting where they need to go, your body temp is under control, and waste is getting filtered out. But when you're dehydrated, that's when you get the headaches and fatigue. Part of the reason for that headache is your brain can literally shrink a bit from the fluid loss. That nutrient highway gets all sluggish, your body can't cool itself down, and toxins can start to hang around. It's a total system slowdown. But here's the really good news. Avoiding all of that is actually incredibly simple. So let's talk about the path to getting and staying hydrated. This isn't about some complicated routine. It's just about building a few easy, powerful habits.
You know, when it comes right down to it, it all boils down to this one simple, powerful idea. If you want to feel healthy, if you want to feel energized, if you want to feel focused, it all starts with staying hydrated. That's the foundation for everything else. So what does that actually look like day to day? Here's a super simple plan. 1. First thing when you wake up, have a glass of water. It really kickstarts your whole system. 2. Carry a reusable bottle with you. Seriously, just having it there is a constant visual reminder to drink. And 3, and this might be the most important one, drink before you actually feel thirsty. That feeling of thirst is actually your body's late signal that you're already heading into dehydration. So the next time you go to grab a drink, just remember this. You're not just killing your thirst, you're fueling your brain, you're powering your muscles, you're supporting every single cell in your body. Water isn't just a drink, it really is life. So what's one simple change you're going to make today to honor that?